Light scale, light tank, light wing, and light sense. The light series references both lightness and the medium light. We are using light as a medium to create large-scale digital information, which is overlaid with light constructions. Lightness as a principle of construction allows us to aesthetically combine the ephemeral experience of light as a medium with structures that behave kinetically.
A specific design element of these installations are the intuitive human interaction with the 4 different installations. Moving away from the interaction with technology from keyboards and mouse, we're looking at how we can create architecture as the interface to interact with digital environments.
I don't like this silence. Is someone there? Tell me something.
CyberPhysical refers to systems where the digital influences the physical and vice versa. Architecture in real time introduces a new concept of architecture which is able to respond in milliseconds. And this is quite new because typically we understand architecture as something that is constant, something that is static. Within this exhibition, the visitors will experience dynamic worlds which are reacting to them and constantly reshaping around their behavior.
I love you so much, and I am so happy to have you by my side, and you are my love. Love has a nice sound to it. Explain it to me.
Darkness, anger, bad, sad.
Core approach to the installations is to allow large numbers of audience to experience holographic worlds and environments at the same time. To achieve this, we're using anaglyph stereoscopic projection, which utilizes inexpensive cardboard 3D glasses, which are very simple to use and need no further instruction. And as designers and architects, we are excited and very interested in the next generation of responsive architecture that can respond creatively alongside its user. And AI becomes a new parameter that we can use to embed creative behavior into architecture.